Welcome to my video where I assemble a transportable computer using a Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. Since I'm fascinated with tiny computers, my goal is to cheaply attach a Pi Zero 2W to the back of an old VGA monitor. The one item that I didn't have and needed to order was a very short VGA video cable. Once the VGA video cable was in my possession, the next step was to make a paper template for my two plexiglass panels. Where the VESA holes, video cable, and the VGA to HDMI adapter are positioned will determine the final placement of my little single-board computer. Once the plexiglass panels were prepared, it was time to attach the standoffs and the Raspberry Pi to the bottommost plexiglass panel. Once completed, the whole thing was fastened to the back of the monitor. Then, I added a heatsink to the little computer to help keep it cool, if needed. Later came the satisfying task of putting all the adapters and cables into place. A USB hub was used to power the video adapter, connect a wireless keyboard dongle, and add a flash drive for additional storage. Intended for convenience, I attached a power switch cable to the power supply cord, which, for easy access, hangs just below the bottom of the plexiglass panels. Once I secured a couple of cables with Velcro ties, it was a satisfying feeling to finally put the outer plexiglass panel into place. Now, approaching the end of the build, I plugged in and secured the power cables. Then, with the insertion of the SD card containing the operating system, my transportable computer was complete. With a binder to hold all my notes and two thick manuals dealing with the Linux command line and the Python programming language, I hope to learn something new about this hardware and software. Thank you for your interest in this video. Goodbye for now, and I hope to see you again soon.